Okay, part 2, actually juicing, now that we have it set up. I grab a handful of spinach and kind of push it in. And then I start the machine. It usually pulls it by itself, so you don't have to use that thing, but you can if you want. Next, I'll do the apple. So this is a really big apple, and I only do half of it. That's a pretty big spout, so you can just kind of drop it in. So there goes the first apple. Then I grab more spinach, a bunch, kind of wad it up and shove it in there. And now we'll do half a cucumber. So this was a really big cucumber, so I'm just gonna do half of it. I guess you could do a quarter. I'm just gonna do more though. It'll kind of shove it down in. It'll grab it and pull it down in. So you don't really have to use this too much. That was a little bit forceful. I don't normally have to do that. Okay, so now come over here and see what it's doing. So it's pushing this stuff out the side, and this is starting to accumulate juice. You don't want it to accumulate juice too much, or it starts falling and spilling out. So now about here, what I do is I lift up my glass and I kind of let some more of it come out. And then I plug it back up. If you just let it come out, it gets real foamy, and I don't like that. So now we're gonna do half of our lime. I usually try to do lemons, but Costco didn't have lemons. So lemons are real, I don't know, fibrous-y or whatever. And so I find that if you do them last, you don't get all of the lime juice. Let's do some more spinach. And then I'm going to do a handful of kale. Don't do too much kale. It makes it kind of bitter tasting. The kale's really yummy, so... Or it's good for you. I guess it's not really yummy. It's kind of bitter. And then, so I kind of alternate between the leafy vegetable and more of these like firm vegetables, because I think it helps to make it go through the machine a little bit better. Ooh, squirted me. Then I usually put an ice cube in it because I think cold juice, it tastes better than this because it's kind of a little bit warm from all the friction. And then you drink it. Okay, part 3 is coming up next of the cleanup.